Hello, this is the quiz review for chapter 12.1 through 12.3. If you take a look at problem number 1, we have a radius and a tangent come together. And we know that anytime a radius and a tangent come together, they form a right angle. So that means that this is 90 degrees and these two angles have to add up to 90. So if we take 90 and subtract 58 from it, we end up with 32. So in this problem, angle X is equal to 32 degrees. Problem number 2, you have a radius and a tangent come together. So this is 90 degrees. You have another one on the other side, so that's 90 degrees, and you're still looking for this angle. So 90 plus 90 plus 130 plus X is going to equal 360 degrees. So 90 plus 90 plus 30. Add all of this together, it's going to give you 310 plus X is going to equal 360. Subtract 310 from both sides. You get X equals 50. Next one. This is a hard problem. This would probably be for honors geometry, but we know that this is X 8, and then this is 2 plus X. So X squared plus 8 squared has to equal X plus 2 squared. This is going to be X squared plus 64 is equal to squaring this out, which means X plus 2 times X plus 2. So this is going to give me X squared. X times X is X squared. X times 2 is going to give me 2X, and 2 times X is going to give me 2X. So that's 4X altogether. And then 2 times 2 is 4. When I subtract X squared from this side and subtract X squared from this side, these are gone. So when I subtract 64 on this side and subtract 64 on this side, then that's going to give me actually, I want to take the 4 to the other side, don't I? When I subtract 4 on this side, I subtract 4 on this side, then this is going to give me 60 is equal to 4X. Divide both sides by 4, so 15 is equal to X. Next one, you have the same idea. This is a radius, which is 9, so this radius is 9. So this is 9, 12, and X plus 9. So 9 squared plus 12 squared equals X plus 9 quantity squared. 81 plus 144 is equal to X squared plus 18X plus 81 when I square that out. This will give me 225. It's going to equal X squared plus 18X plus 81. And subtract 225 from both sides. So 0 is equal to X squared plus 18X minus 144. So coming over, I have a minus 144 and 18 on the bottom, positive. So what two numbers multiplied together will give me a negative 144, and when I subtract them, I get 80. So I don't know. So I'll go through the list. 144. 2 goes into 144 72 times. 3 goes into 144 48 times. 4 goes into 144 36 times. When I subtract those two, I don't get any 18. 5 won't go into it evenly, so 6 will go into 144 24 times. And if I subtract those two, I get 18. So my answer is, I want a positive 18, so this would have to be negative 6. So a negative 6, negative 6, and a positive 24. So x minus 6 and x plus 24. But when I solve it, I'm going to have the opposite. So x would have to equal, a positive 6 here to make that equal 0, or negative 24. And we know that distance can't be negative, so my answer is a positive 6. Next one. If I bring this straight across, then this is going to be parallel to this. So this is 25. This side is going to be a right angle here, so that means the right angle is up on top. So if I redraw this, it would look something like that. This is 9 from here to here, so that means this is 9 from here to here, and that would leave me with 3 to get 12. So this little bit is 3. This is 25 on top, so I'm looking for my hypotenuse. So 3 squared plus 25 squared is going to equal r squared, or in this case, x squared. And so 9 plus 625 is going to equal x squared. So 634, and I'm going to have to take the square root of that, is equal to x squared, and take the square root of that. So I get 25.2 is equal to x. This one, we have to tell whether it's inscribed or circumscribed. If the polygon, so the polygon is on the outside of the circle, so it is circumscribed. And here the polygon's on the inside, so it's inscribed. All right, this one, I have 2 tangents that come to a point outside of the circle. So that tells me that this side is going to be equal to this side. So this is going to be 4. I have the same thing down here. This is 3. So that means this side is 3. This is 5. So that means this side is 5. So perimeter, when I add them all together, 5 and 5 is 10. 4 and 4 is 8. 3 and 3